guys, Shay here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Over here we like to chitty chat about everything fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hair related, and whatever I feel like chatting about that day. So if any of those things sound like something that you may be interested in, girl, then make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Also be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I make an upload, and I might throw an extra little surprise in there for y'all, so I don't want you to miss anything, okay? So with that being said, I know you guys saw the thumbnail and the title of this video, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, today I bring to you guys the Jacquemus Le Carinu bag. I'm going to be talking to you about the bag, the sizing, and what we can fit in it. So we're going to do that together. So what I'm going to be doing is transferring items from my Kate Spade bag into the Le Carinu bag. So for starters, I did purchase this bag through Essence, and the thing that upset me about that is, I don't know if it was the cost of the bag or what, but I had to pay $100 to the post office just to pick the bag up. I was a little upset about that. But nonetheless, here is the bag. This bag is fairly affordable. It was under $1,000. So if you're looking for a designer or like a contemporary brand that is like, you know, understated, then this bag is definitely for you. I did pick it up in white. It came in white, black, and pink. I did like the black one, but summer is here and I love me some white, so I was like, why not get another like white bag? What attracted me to this bag was the straps. You guys can see the strap is about, I don't have the exact measurements on hand, but I want to say a little more than 2 inches in width, and I think that's what attracted me to it. Also on the strap, you have this like built-in, it's like a built-in card holder, and I love that. So there's that, and what I like about that is it's flat. It's not like an extra coin pouch or anything like that like a lot of other brands. It's just a flat, and it's effortless. It's just there. Also, the straps are removable, so they're not adjustable, but they are removable, so you can remove them. When I received the bag, they were not attached, and I'm just gonna remove it so you guys can see. Easily removable. It is literally just like this little hoop that you pull this piece through, and you just pop it through, and then it's off. So when you take the strap off, you just have the bag like this, and it's like the perfect size. You can wear it under your arm. This isn't the best top that I have on to do this with because it is kind of like a crop, but you just, if I back up a little bit, you can see that I can just carry it like this in the summer. And then you have the little peekaboo of the Jacquemus design here, and I think that's cute. It's like a little subtle flex, you know what I mean? Like, it's a white bag, but it's what kind of white bag? Also, I can actually replace the straps with a different chain of choice if I want to, and I would only do that with a gold chain just to make it a little bit dressier and classier. This part, this is about like 1 inch and maybe like 1/8 in width here. So when you open it up, this is what the interior looks like. It does have like a magnetic button closure. So this is the inside, and then it has one flap for card, and it's like just a tan interior. Really simple, really cute, nothing, you know, nothing major. It is a nice leather quality that I really do love. So with that being said, let's jump right into seeing what can fit into the bag, girl. So some of you may know I usually carry my mini pochette accessoire inside of my other bags because I actually carry like my money, my cards, lip gloss, and stuff in here, and I usually just take it, drop it in this bag. So I'm gonna see if this can actually just fit in here, which it actually can, and that's perfect for me because this bag is small, so I wouldn't even bother to buy like an insert for it. But the fact that I can just transfer my mini pochette into here is perfect for me, and I also don't have to worry about ruining the interior of the bag. Now inside of that mini pochette, I'm gonna take this out and just drop items in here. I don't have a card case yet, and I probably need to get one, but I'm gonna take out all of my cards. I have a stack of cards about this thick, including my ID. Can it fit in the card section? So they fit easily into the little card slot holder. We are going to then, I have some keys. phone, because that's important, sis. That's one thing that's really important for me, to have a bag where at least I can put my phone in. So actually, let me put the phone in first. So put the phone in first, and this is what it looks like. I usually put my keys in last because that's the last thing that I grab for. I have a lip gloss by Summer's Fridays that I'm just gonna stick in there. Can it go in this way? Okay, so it's too tall to sit that way, so you have to put it sideways. Also, I like to carry like a rollerball perfume. Lately, I've been obsessing over this Nest Turkish Rose, so I'm gonna drop that in there. I do have this little Necessaire hand cream. Well, it's not hand cream, it's body lotion, but it's a sample size that I got from Sephora, so that can also, so far this is what it looks like. So this can also fit in there. And as for me, I wouldn't want to overstuff the bag, so I'm not necessarily going to try to put anything else in there. The main things that I need, I have, which are my cards, IDs, whatever, my cell phone. I have a lip balm, I have a little perfume oil, and a little hand cream. And then my keys. I can drop that all in there, so, and it all fits perfectly. And then let's close it. Closes just fine. And I'm going to put the strap back on. So the strap is back attached. One thing that I do also like about the strap is if you don't want the card case in the front, if you wear the bag this way, you can actually remove it and just flip it so that it'll be facing the back. But I do like that it's here. Here, I could probably put, like, maybe if I'm shopping, the card that I'm gonna be using most that day, just pop it in here. Slide it right in there, and it closes. And I feel like this is just room for one card, so you can't stack them in there, but that it does fit. And then I'll show you what it looks like on my shoulder. So here is the bag. I'm sitting on my knees. It hits about here on me. I am short, I'm 5 feet, so. And then here is the side of it. Absolutely love it, it's so cute. And then here's the front. And it doesn't fall off. Like, I'm moving my arms, shoulders. I did wear this out. I didn't have any issues with it coming off the shoulder. So when you wear it, you do have like a little space right here, but I think that's cute. And I just love it. It's so cute. It's effortless for me, so yes. The takeaway from this video, this bag is very affordable. It's one of those contemporary brands that are understated, but still, yeah, a really beautiful bag. It's under $1,000, so it's extremely affordable. It comes in multiple colors. I'm not sure if the white one is still available. When I did check back not too long ago, it was out of stock, girl. So, okay. When you see stuff you like, you gotta hop on it. I do believe this is also on Farfetch, but on Farfetch, it costs a little more than what I paid on Essence. So I'll link everything down below. But yeah, I absolutely love the bag. The quality is amazing. It's so good. It's so good. The leather feels good on it. I don't know that there will be a color transfer or not. I didn't wear it with anything blue, but I don't feel like there would be. In the same time, as much as I love white, I would take care of the bag. Yeah, it holds a good amount of anything important in it. This is not an everyday bag that you just go stuffing, you know what I mean? But it's definitely a light bag that you can wear out for brunch or whatever. Super duper love it. So if you are interested in it, then I suggest you click any of the links down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will answer them as I always do. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.